I look so bad, but okay. Hi, my name is Anuradha. I'm an HRBP in Pocket FM.
Super. The idea is to just document people's lifestyle the way it is.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's how.
lovely. Great.
How's your life in Bangalore?
I just recently moved in. I'm
Okay.
finding the city very welcoming. Not much to say yet. It's going to be a month. I just completed 3 weeks.
Oh,
So a little new to the city.
previously, I used to work as a designer. Lost my job in COVID.
Oh.
So my passion is filmmaking. So I've been doing backtaxi. Whoever comes, I talk to them. So usually the conversation will be good. So it's been like last 2 weeks I started this podcast. So the idea is to just record the conversation, topic or nothing. Like it just goes with the flow.
Oh, that's nice.
So
I
the
mean,
idea
anything
is
that
to-
you're doing for your dream, it's always special. I wish you all the luck.
Thank you so much. What makes you happy in life?
I think my family makes me happy. So I come from a Rajput family wherein people believe that we happen to be very angry kind of people, but I'm a little different. So I love to avoid fights and I feel very happy when my family is happy. So I left my place almost, so I'm basically from Lucknow. I left Lucknow almost 2.5-3 years ago. I was in Pune before this, and Bangalore again at the same point. The best thing I love about Bangalore is people are welcoming. That's one thing, and they know Hindi and English. That makes life easier, especially for us North Indians. So yeah, I love it. I love that. And again, I think when you're moving to a place for your job or something new, you have to love it. That gives
Exactly.
you a lot of motivation to just keep going every day.
Once you decide that you want to put love in it, the path, like whatever you're doing, it becomes a bit easier, right?
Exactly. I mean, at the end of the day, when you go to sleep, you don't feel that I didn't do even one thing in the entire day which didn't make me happy, or which, like, at least that's the thing. That's the idea. Apart from that, so there are so many dreams that I still have. I haven't gone out of India. So my dad is in the army, so I have had the opportunity to travel a lot of places in India, but never been outside India. So I'm just trying to make myself capable enough that one day I can take my parents out of India. That's one thing. And in general, I'm a very happy person. So everything is happy. Like this is something I'm gonna like it and love it.
No, it's really nice. Actually, you know what? I'm a really shy person.
Oh.
and it is not helping to my career. So I thought, why not I use this bike taxi?
Yeah.
Usually the conversation, the energy and the vibe will be good.
Yes.
It has helped me a lot. So I thought, why not I'll record it, I'll put it on social
Absolutely.
media.
Yeah.
Let's try to pass that energy. Actually really like your energy. मतलब जैसे आप खुश हो,
हाँ.
it's really nice.
I have seen very dark phases in my life. Almost a year ago, 2023 was a very bad year for me, but I don't know why. The moment I started my 2024, so I'm a very big believer of Lord Shiva. I believe in him a lot. So I just, somewhere down the line, I just had this thing that this year is going to be my year. And trust me, it's already May.
Okay.
Almost 4 months down. I've seen really things happening the way I always envisioned them to happen.
That's super. Actually, I'm really happy for you.
See, again, I'll tell you something. So when you come from a defense background, you would meet a lot of people. You will get attached to them, be it friends, family, everyone.
True.
And then after 3 years, you have to move out. It's a kind of a thing that you can't. It's inevitable. You can't stop it. So somewhere down the line, this military thing has drained. It's so deeply grilled in my personality that I now feel that it's always great that you move out of a place where you're not supposed to be after a point, so that you meet more people.
Correct.
And again, just as you were talking about being shy, I've seen a lot of directors who are extremely shy, but they're doing extremely phenomenal work.
Yes,
So I think that's your strength, because that's who you are.
Yeah. That will be there are few changes that you can do. Few habits can change your actions.
Yeah.
Few things it's hardwired in your mind. You really can't change it. Like I will be a shy person, but the practice might make me better talking to
Yes.
people, right? So that's the idea.
And again, you never know. I mean, there are so many people who wanted to do something and then they ended up doing something way better, way different.
Yes, correct.
You never know. Maybe I've never seen someone doing this kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So maybe this is the new trend that you might be starting today, but it might just become so trendy tomorrow, maybe like 5
True.
years down the lane. Because nobody ever thought that podcast could be done on a Rapido bike. Yeah. So
That's what hunger for
trying to do
survival.
something new.
That gives you a lot of ideas.
Yes.
But the other thing is that अभी बात करना बहुत कम हो गया मतलब the people.
here's my take on that. What I
Okay.
truly
Yeah, please.
believe in is people are so burdened with things that they feel that, you know, like maybe they didn't have a very good day the whole day. They had a fight or some argument or something. So at the end of everything, they don't want to really invest the energy into something new or maybe something that they've never done. So it's more to do with how your work is, and that's why it's important that you love what you do.
Correct.
It takes away a lot of your almost 50-60% of your day. But if you're not liking your work, I don't think you're going in the right direction. I love it when people work for their dreams. It's great. Because trust me, a lot of people, I don't know, sometimes they are not confident, sometimes they keep making excuses.
Yeah.
It doesn't go anywhere. I can't even tell you, I was in a very devastated state a year ago, personally. I almost was on the brink of losing it. But thank God, my Lord Shiva was there with me.
Awesome.
I am back and I'm better.
That's awesome. I'm really happy. But yeah, really, thank you so much for
You're
talking.
welcome. I really wish you become successful and you get to do what you want to do.
Have a good
Best
day.
of luck.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.